Ça, c'est une merveille. Ouais, Ayisyen ça qu'il a regardé là, et puis, monsieur lui-même, il parle 5 langues sans qu'il pas jamais à l'école, il pas qu'on lit, il pas qu'on écrit. So, monsieur, il parle 5 langues. En tout cas, je parle un peu, entendez, monsieur, comme des détails, monsieur parle des moutons, il parle.
Moi-même, malaria là, pour un paquet de bagages. Ça fait malaria là. Parce que je regarde moi. Yeah. Je regarde moi un paquet de monde. Un paquet de bon imbécile qui va même comment on peut dire bonjour en anglais. Il va même comment on peut dire bonsoir en espagnol et l'autre dans chef l'État. Je ne sais pas même. Bon, moi-même, je ne sais pas ça. Moi-même, je vais toutes les réseaux sociaux, tout le monde capte de lui. Depuis à l'âge de 8 ans, petit cabaret, je fais villa, il y a actuellement 28 ans. Je vais à l'école un jour, je vais 5 ans. Je vais faire qui est souillé. Vous devez fini l'école, vous êtes philosophe, vous êtes sorti, il y a des pour venir parler avec mes grands gens. Ça est donc mon Dieu, bon, mais si vous avez un bon cadeau, je vais pas encore. Et je ne vais pas parler avec Ayel, je ne vais pas parler avec Ayel dans toute langue. Je vais démonter Ayel devant un devant. Ayel est maintenant, moi, je suis 400 000 jeunes. Je vais gagner un peu Ayel. Ayel, il faut la converser avec Guadamère. Mais non, mais je suis 400 000 mais on m'a dans la nuit dans la cage. Tem muita gente que me viu lá na caixa todo dia. Sabe o que vai falar para você aí? Meu que você ajuda todo mundo que estava morando na Haiti. Você não viu que nós vamos passar lá no Haiti? Haiti não tem porra nenhuma, não tem casamento, não tem porra nenhuma. Escola nem ouviu, não tem ninguém nem prende. Só sabe o que vai falar para você aí? Você tem o que pensar com todo mundo. Agora vai trocar me lembra. I want to talk to you right now. But me, my name is Mishkata. I'm from in the street, but anybody know me, but I'm working in the street, but I'm English in the street. 2002 I've been with the men people. The men teach me English, I taught my English, but me, I've never go to school for English. I can't speak English with anybody, but I know I cannot write, I cannot be student. But if you want to talk to me, I want to talk to you. But you know why I want to talk to you today? Today I want to somebody help me because I do bad day. My life is not good. That's why I'm waiting there, but I say thank you everybody. But I want to talk Arabic for you too. But مش متحدث بالتحدث مش متحدث كمش مهد كتور هذا. كلش مهد بقول كله حبيت لكن كش بفكر. عمش مياكس السلام عليكم. ود بالتحدث.
Comment vous foncez
No, I don't speak French. I speak Spanish, English, Portuguese, Arabic, and Hausa.
Et va nous dire qui cause vous parler français?
Because I don't go to school. If you don't go to school, you cannot speak French. You know that.
Vous parlez l'école, qu'est-ce que vous parlez l'autre langue ça?
Because Jesus gave me that talent. That's my profession. Jesus gave it to me. Speak the language.
Qu'est-ce qui vous voit manger beau talent ça?
I don't know. Because Jesus give anybody this talent. Jesus give you a talent. He give him this talent. He give me my talent.
Ça veut dire que toute langue ça va parler français?
I don't speak French.
Et vous parlez l'école?
I never go to school. I cannot write anything. But everybody, when you talk to me, I want to talk to you. Anywhere, but I'm working in the street. I'm from in the street. I never go anywhere. Only this place I'm going. I'm going only settlement. Only settlement I'm going. Never.
Mais pourquoi les toute langue ça va
No, I don't know, because let me tell you something. Jesus told you that. Jesus don't give you 2 problems on his soul. Because Jesus see me, I don't go to school. That's why he give me this talent to do my life.
Ça fait que tu es
Because I don't know. I'm just going to speak. No. Shit. Right now you play with me now. I see you play with my face now. Why you tell me that? I can't watch it. Because I'm a street man. If you're a street man, nobody have any clients with you.
Est-ce que vous avez
Me? You don't see me? Look at me. Yeah, every day I see somebody because me I'm just making grass and they started me market and where I'm working there. You know what is my job? My job is a clean the car. Clean the car. That is my job. Clean the car. That's my job.
What do you want some people do for you?
What I want some people do for me? Yes. I want to some people help me. Do something for me because me I got some problem.
You have phone number?
I don't have number, but me I got a cat. You can do my picture. If you want to help me, I know everybody can help me. That's my cat. You see that? That's why I'm talking to. And Haiti don't have any president, don't have anything. And Haiti only have anything, only gangster have in Haiti.
Depuis combien de temps vous parlez langue ça?
I don't know. I just talking. I cannot tell you which day, which time, which hours. I don't know nothing. but I'm just speaking English.
Okay, that's simple. Thank you.